Welcome to Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 New Features. Before starting new features about AutoCAD 2021, I will discuss some features. That is, here when you want to start a new drawing, you can create by just clicking here, or you can start from a new. For example, when I click start drawing, here you will see software automatically create a new drawing template. Okay, I will close. There are also further templates here: AutoCAD name, plot style, AutoCAD.dwt, AutoCAD drawing template. Okay, here ISO in metric. Okay, tutorial templates and sheets, architectural, civil, manufacturing, imperial and metric, FPS unit system and SI unit system. Okay, here again you can open the existing files in your laptop or any drive, etc. Here open sheets, open a sheet set. Okay, here is get more templates online. For example, I will click here. Okay, here you will see the templates. Okay, you can also download from here and use in your drawings. Further explore sample drawings. There are also many sample drawings. For example, here I will click sheet sets. Here there is drawing templates in sheets, architectural, civil, manufacturing. Here I am clicking civil. Here, for example, road profile, civil profile, site layout plan. For example, I am clicking site layout plan. Open. Okay, for read only, yes. Here you can study the layout plan, site layout plan. Here 204, 304. Okay, here is a model drawing. Okay, so you can study these templates. I am just closing. I have just discussed about getting starting with AutoCAD. So there is also one beautiful feature, learn. In the learn you can see the basic demo videos, how you can start with AutoCAD, new features, all things. Here is online resources. For example, Hitchhiker's Guide to AutoCAD. For example, I will click here. You will see the book database, guide, help, etc. For example, here I want to start with layers. Okay, here about the layers data. So that's how you can learn with the help of AutoCAD. There is also support where you can ask questions about your queries, your issues, like things. Here is a learning tip. Okay, daily learning tip, etc. Okay, so now I will start one by one with the new features of the Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Here I have started a new drawing. Okay, a new drawing. Now I will draw a, for example, one rectangle, second, third. Okay, so first feature is the trim, that is updated within enhanced features. For example, I will click trim. Okay, what is the enhanced feature in trim? Here if you want to trim this and this and this line, you will just click here and make a line. Software automatically trim these lines. Okay, at any location, for example here. So that is the new feature of the trim. So there is also trim and extend mode. Okay, you can also, I will also discuss in the coming lectures, trim. Okay, trim extend mode. Okay, I will discuss in the coming lectures. So the next feature is the revision cloud. Here, okay, here revision cloud. Okay, you can also specify length, arc length, etc. For example, I will click again revision. Here is the arc length. I have put A. Now here is the value 3.069. I am putting the value 1. Now I am drawing the revision cloud. Okay, so you can see the arc length. Okay, so when I see the properties, I will click here, click properties. Now you will see here is option revision cloud. Previously in previous models or previous versions, that is polyline. Now in the 2021, that is a revision cloud. Okay, so you can also change the properties. For example, here I am changing revision cloud properties. Okay, if I want to change the arc length, here I will put a, enter. Previously I have used 1, now I am using, for example, 3. Okay, you can see automatically software has changed the revision cloud properties. So that is the new feature of the Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. So now the next feature is the quick measure. Okay, here that is a quick measure option in AutoCAD 2021. Here I have clicked quick. Now when I just clicked any close bounded area, for example I click here, software highlight this portion and give its area, perimeter, etc. Any, for example here, okay, this close area, here is the area and perimeter. That is a very good option given by Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Now the next option is the drawing history. Okay, that will I will also discuss in the coming lectures. That is the drawing history. And the one more beautiful function with the enhanced features, that is the DWG compare. How? Here is the example 1. Okay, I want to compare with the desktop. Okay, I have opened example 1. Here is example 2. Okay, so now you will see what are the difference between two drawings. Okay, so here, okay, so that's the difference between two drawings. Okay, here you can see. Let's see another drawing, example 1, example 2. Okay, so you can see that is in the example 1. Okay, here is the example 1, example 2. Okay, so what's the difference between example 1 and example 2? Okay, that will be highlighted in the compare mode. Okay, here I will again click compare with example, compare with example 2. Okay, so that's highlighted portion will appear. Okay, for example, even you can software highlight the similar mode with the this cloud. Okay, only in one drawing, not only in the current drawing. Okay, that is present in the second drawing. So that's how you can compare with the previous version of drawings or previous saved models. So that is the enhanced feature in the Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Now the next feature is the insert. Here in the insert blocks from libraries. Okay, here I have imported some from another drawing, that is a Mr. Shaheen for structure. Okay, that are the blocks recent. For example, if I used any block, for example here, one-sided door. Okay, the drawing is too big, but the block is came out from the templates, from the block templates. Okay, so similarly, if you want to bring more templates or you want to create new block template, you can come, and these templates also sync with your cloud. Okay, your Autodesk cloud, you can also make changes there, or you can make changes here. For example, here I will bring how to bring the blocks from another drawing. You can do it by easily here in the desktop. UAE architectural drawing, it is Mr. Jassim. Okay, open. Okay, so now you can see all the blocks from other drawing is also appear here. You can use easily. Here is the doors, etc. Okay, here is the logo. Okay, okay, sorry, so its size is also too big, so that's why it is not showing in the in this same scale. You have to enlarge. Okay, so that's all the new features of the Autodesk AutoCAD 2021. Have a nice day.